Gardening is a rewarding hobby. It connects us with nature, and it provides fresh food. But, gardens face challenges. Weeds and pests can harm our plants. Using chemicals can harm the environment. So, let's explore natural ways to control pests. These methods are safe and effective. Weeds compete with our plants for resources, and pests can damage or even kill our plants. Natural methods help keep the ecosystem in balance. They are safer for us, our pets, and the environment. Small steps can make a big difference. Start by identifying the problem. Is it a weed or a pest? Different solutions work for each. Observe your garden regularly. Early detection makes control easier. Remember, a healthy garden is a happy garden.
Weeds are persistent, but don't worry, there are natural ways to control them. One effective method is hand pulling. Put on your gloves and get your hands dirty. This is best done when the weeds are small. Mulching is another great technique. Mulch helps suppress weed growth and also helps retain moisture in the soil. Use organic mulches like straw, wood chips, or shredded leaves. Weed barriers are also helpful. These are fabrics that block sunlight, preventing weed growth. When using weed barriers, make sure to secure them properly. This prevents weeds from growing underneath. Remember, consistency is key. Regularly check for and remove weeds. This prevents them from establishing themselves in your garden.
Pests can be a nuisance, but we can control them organically. One way is by inviting beneficial insects. These insects prey on common garden pests. Ladybugs, for example, love to eat aphids. You can attract beneficial insects by planting flowers. Choose flowers with bright colors and strong scents. Another method is to use homemade sprays. A mixture of water and dish soap can deter soft-bodied pests. Physical barriers also work well. Use row covers to protect your plants from flying insects. Handpicking is another option. This involves physically removing pests from your plants. Preventing problems is always better than curing them. Healthy soil is crucial for a healthy garden. It provides nutrients to your plants, making them strong and resistant to pests. Amending your soil with compost can greatly improve its health. Companion planting is another effective technique. This involves planting different species together for mutual benefit. For example, marigolds repel certain pests and can protect your vegetables. Regular maintenance is also important. Inspect your plants regularly for signs of pests or diseases. Remove any affected leaves or plants immediately. This prevents the problem from spreading. By taking these steps, you can create a thriving garden. You'll have a beautiful and productive space, and you'll be protecting the environment at the same time. Happy gardening!